Hey everyone, I'm Peter and I'm from the Parex Group. Today we're going to do a little bit about bathroom tiling. We're going to look at waterproofing and the steps involved with that, including surface preparation and priming. We're then going to move on to the wall and floor tiling, looking at our cutting techniques, our set out and also the installation of the tiles. We'll then move on to the finishing touches, which is our grouting and our silicone. Now that our tiles are set and our adhesive is fully cured, we're able to go ahead and start the grouting process. First off, we're going to remove all the spaces and wedges from the joints. We're then going to go ahead and clean all the joints, making sure there's no glue or contaminants. We'll then start grouting.
Remove all spaces and clean any excess adhesive from the joints.
When mixing the grout, always add the powder to the water, and today, because we're only mixing a small amount, we're going to use a hand trowel and mix the product by hand. You can always add more powder and liquid until you reach the desired consistency. Now that our grout's mixed to a smooth and pliable consistency in accordance with manufacturer's guidelines, we can go ahead and start the grouting. When grouting, take care not to skim over or bridge any joints. Make sure we're pushing it right into the joint. We're continuing to make sure that we have nice full joints. Now that our grout has had the initial tack off, we're going to use a damp sponge, not a wet sponge but a damp sponge, and we're going to wash in a circular motion. This will fill up all the joints, holding them nice and full. Once we've done this, the second half of the wash will just be a single wipe in a diagonal motion. Now that our grout's fully cured, we can go ahead and dust off the last bit of residue.
When applying silicone, use tape to protect the tiles. Once the silicone has been applied, smooth off the surface.